Hello. This is the first time that I've ever ordered anything from Mattel Creations, and I'm pretty excited about it. I have an easy time saying no to the dolls so far, but when I saw these chairs, I thought, I've been looking for more things for my girls to sit in, and these looked so cute. So I went a little crazy and I bought them, and they just got here. So I'm going to open up this and we'll get a first look at them, see how they are. And then also today, this morning, I was going to the grocery store and I stopped at the thrift store that's right next door. I'm like, I haven't gotten anything lately. There's not going to be anything, but I'm here. I might as well look. And I got a great find that I'm very excited about. But first, let's open up and see the chairs. This box is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It is sturdy. Ooh, look at those. Okay. A little envelope. The envelope, please. Certificate of authenticity. All right. Certified chairs. Great. Look at them. 5 chairs. Unfortunately, most of my dolls don't bend at the knees. Okay, I'm going to start with I'm going to work up to the ones I'm most excited about. Kind of. Ooh, this is cool. Look at that. So this is 5 different designs by Kartell in collaboration with Mattel. That's beautiful. And I think you can get, I think 2 of these designs that you can get in people sizes, but that is not in my budget. I wish it was. That's a pretty one too. Look at that. Oh. It'd be great if you could buy multiples of one design, but oh, that's pretty. They feel nice and sturdy. They're very pink. Oh, this is interesting. See, this one has a glossy finish, and then this one, see, that's glossy, and then this one is matte, and that one is too. So 2 matte, 1 glossy, and then we have 2 that are translucent. Oh my, how mod can you get? There's a little plastic on that. Let's take it off. Oh, that's so cute. How Austin Powers can you get? That's adorable. That's adorable. Okay, and then this was the one that I was really excited about. And this is one of the ones that you can get in people size. And I think this is the other one. I think these are the 2 that you can get for yourself to sit in. But they were like, I think they were like $600 a piece, which is not what I want to do right now. This is beautiful. Oh, how pretty. I think this one is called Ghost Chair. That's cool. Okay, maybe we can get our girls to sit in them. Okay, and we are back. This is probably loud. Hey, Berkeley. Berkeley's joined us. Aren't they adorable? Let's do a conversational grouping here. So yeah, this, I did not hear about this until it was right upon us. I got an email that these were coming out, and the minute I saw them, I'm like, okay, that's something that I would really like to have, because they're beautiful. Look how pretty they are. Lovely. All right. So, like I said, I don't have, I think I actually just have one made to move Barbie right now. Here she is. But this will give you an idea of how these are. That looks pretty good. She's just sitting there enjoying the day, being Barbie. And let's do this gal here. There we go. Having a little gab fest. And let me see. I love this one so much. All right, bendable knees are not happening here. So let's give her a little assist. There, she just wanted to put her feet up. She wanted to put those feet up. All right. Oh, they're so cute. I need more made to move Barbies. You know, I like them because they can pose, but I just don't find them as nice looking. I mean, she looks like a robot. I wish they could I wish they could do both. I like these Barbies that are articulated but are not made to move. They're just kind of a nice middle of the road option. Okay, let me give us a better sense. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute. These girls are going to just sit here and relax, and Berkeley is going to hang with them. Okay, well, I tell you and show you what I just got this morning at the thrift store. Right when I thought my luck had run dry, I went in and I found for $3.50, and here she is, this beautiful bubble cut Barbie reproduction. I did already give her a bath and washed her hair, and she's in really good condition. She had some dirt on her legs, and her face just looked a little grimy. I think there's, maybe a little bit of glitter in her hair, but now she just looks lovely. And, I am really a fan of the reproductions because it's the look that I like more than the idea of having an original. Also, I live in a very, very small space, so I can't have a big collection. And I like the newer ones because you don't have those green ear problems. They're just generally in better condition, and they're beautiful. So, and now these have been around for so long that they're vintage themselves. I think most of these are, 20 to 30 years old. So anyway, those were my finds today. If you found this enjoyable in any way, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe so that you will know when I post another video. Thanks so much. Have a great day.